Hello, and thank you for tuning in today. This is just a video going over the open source Project KONGOR release that's available on GitHub. So I'm just going to be going through and showing a couple of the functions as well as starting a bot match and playing some of it. To start, we're going to open up the Nexus server, which acts as the master server, the chat server, the stat server, and so many other things. And so once that's started, you can actually go into it in your local host and see what the devs would see or at Juvio or Project Kongor if they were managing this. Not only does it host all of these servers, but it hosts the website and the register and log in and everything, such that what I'm about to show next, I had to register these email accounts and go into the email client to approve that. So the next thing I tried to get working was the compel server so that you can have matchmaking and network enabled games. That one I was running into some problems, but there are still some functions that are worth showing. So we will see that it starts up the 4.10.1 edition of HoN. We can go in and start a public game, but really only make it a practice bot match. And so while that's starting up, I'll bring your attention to this server manager, which I think is an original S2 DLL, and it's not working the way I have it set up right now. It's working a little better. Before earlier today, it was just doing K2 fatal error on DirectX DLLs. So we got past that, and I will show that the bot match works just like in version 3.2.7, where that was all me. The master server and chat server of the previous edition was completely AI vibe coded by me. It was very rudimentary compared to this. I mean, this is so comprehensive and excellent, to be honest, with the fact that it hosts the website, it hosts the chat server. It's my version was like hot wiring the old client, but it was still cool because I had to decompile the cryptography method for the SRP, so it was still fun. And now I've got three versions of the game to play. I can play on my computer a bot match in 3.2.7 or in 4.10.1, or if I really want to, I can play a game in Heroes of Newerth Reborn. uh, but so just like in the old version, every function in the game works. And so in a minute, I will come back and we can see how the game works. Alright, welcome back. We're just gonna do the, you know, gameplay of the first few minutes here, if I can play any better than my last video. Already failed the creep block, as you see. Yep, completely failed that. But the game works, and it's honestly a pretty polished edition of the game versus 3.2.7. This one looks a lot cleaner. Fuck. But yeah, I'm just gonna play around here for a few minutes and then stop the video after I die. What is the bot doing over there? Good lord. Poorly written. Woohoo! Alright, we get to kill this game. That will conclude the video though, because I don't think anybody really wants to watch me play a bot match for a deprecated version of HoN. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a good one.